Welcome back to the Limpier Cleaning Services channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that often gets overlooked but is essential for maintaining a fresh and hygienic home: professional trash can cleaning service. If you're tired of dealing with smelly and dirty trash cans, you're in the right place. Join me as we explore how professional cleaning services can keep your home smelling fresh and clean. Let's face it, trash cans are a breeding ground for bacteria and unpleasant odors. From food scraps to pet waste, our trash cans accumulate all sorts of grime over time. But fear not, because professional cleaning services are here to save the day. In this video, we'll discuss the benefits of professional trash can cleaning and why it's worth investing in for a cleaner, healthier home. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why clean trash cans are so important. Not only do dirty trash cans attract pests like flies and rodents, but they can also harbor harmful bacteria that can pose health risks to you and your family. By regularly cleaning your trash cans, you can eliminate odors, reduce the risk of illness, and maintain a more hygienic living environment. Now, you might be wondering why hire a professional cleaning service for something as simple as trash cans. The truth is, professional cleaners have the expertise and equipment to thoroughly clean and disinfect your trash cans, ensuring they're free from dirt, grime, and bacteria. Plus, they can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on more important things. There are several benefits to investing in professional trash can cleaning services. Firstly, professional cleaners use specialized equipment and eco-friendly cleaning products to achieve superior results. They can also clean hard-to-reach areas and remove stubborn stains and odors that household cleaners may struggle to tackle. Additionally, regular cleaning by professionals can extend the lifespan of your trash cans, saving you money in the long run. When it comes to professional cleaning services, Limpier Cleaning Services stands out from the rest. With years of experience in the industry and a team of skilled professionals, we're dedicated to providing top-notch cleaning solutions tailored to your needs. Our trash can cleaning service is fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly, leaving your trash can sparkling clean and odor-free. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to smelly trash cans and hello to a fresher, cleaner home, don't hesitate to contact Limpier Cleaning Services today. Our team is standing by to help you keep your home smelling fresh and clean year-round. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning! Subscribe now for more tips from Limpier Cleaning Services, your partner in creating a cleaner, healthier home.